Hey guys, so now we will going to tell you how you can create, voiceover with the help of, chat GPT. So basically here you can see that as I have told you how to write the video script. So here I have written one video script on how to make money with the affiliate marketing. Okay. And I have also mentioned write in 200 words. So chat GPT has given me the script. That is great. Okay. Now here first of all it is saying that you have to put your introduction music and animation. That's okay. And along with that, now from here the main script has been started. So what you can do, my friend, is that you can see that it has written everything like thanks for watching, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, blah blah blah, everything is written. So perfect script made by chat GPT. Now the problem is that how you will going to convert this particular script into audio. That is the problem. Okay, so there are three options. First option is to record yourself like I am recording. Okay, just record your screen or record your audio, and that's great. That's it. Okay, and the second option is to go to some freelancing websites like Fiverr, or you can hire some freelancers who will going to do this job for you. Okay, so here you can just say like YouTube voice over. Okay, just click on enter, and then you will find plenty of people who will going to record a professional engaging YouTube voice very fast. Okay, so these are the various people who can help you to write your script. So what you just need to do is that you can just copy your script like this and just give to these freelancers. For example, if you just open this person and he says that for 150 words he will going to charge for 429, you can even go with the cheaper freelancers. You can just put your budget, let's say for example dollar 10. Okay. Okay, so the dollar 10 is not available. So what we can do is that we can just go to at very bottom. Okay, and when you will go more and more bottom, so you will going to find more and more cheaper freelancers. Okay, so at very top, Fiverr will going to show you the best and expensive freelancers. They will of course have quality, but they are also expensive. But there are also plenty of freelancers who are very much new but with a good quality as well. Okay, so you can even go to the fifth page or fourth page and you can just search for the person who can just write a good or create a good voiceover for your YouTube script. So in case if you don't have any money, okay, let's assume you don't have money to spend, so you also have one free option. You can just go to this website naturalreaders.com, okay, slash online. So you can just go here to this website. Of course it is free with plenty of limitations, but you can even do this. For example, I just take this one. Okay, and I can just go here and I can just right click and paste my script. Okay, and now you can see that hi everyone in this video. If you want, you can change everything. Hi everyone, my name is John, and in this video, okay, so this is what you can just customize the way you want. And here you can see the play button, so it will going to play with the natural human voice. Okay, so for example, let's wait for it to get play.
The first step is to find a niche that you are passionate about.
Oops, you have to start from the first. Okay,
The first step is to find a niche that you are passionate.
Okay, so that's a great thing. So it has started from here, but you can
The
listen the
first step
voice.
is to find a niche that you are passionate about. This could be anything from fitness, fashion, beauty, tech, or any other area that you have a strong interest in.
So you can see, my friends, that even from zero you can just start
Hi
it from.
everyone, my name is John, and in this video, we will be discussing how to make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money.
So you can see that here it has used the script and he's talking. Okay, so it sounds very like a human voice, but of course there will be many limitation. You can only do one and two time. Okay, so this is a free option. And now how you can download it? Just simply click on these three dots and just download it and convert to mp3. Okay, and it will be automatically downloaded to your computer. So these are the options which you can just go with that. Okay, you just need to sign up or log in and you can just download it, but it will only going to allow you per day one voiceover you can download for a very limited time, less than 1 minute video. So this is the limitation in the free tools. There's one more best option which I also use, and I have that tool which is called the speech load. So you can just search my, just type with me my dash link dot in slash mark. Okay, speech load, SPEECHELO, everything is small. Click on enter and then you will be landed to one tool called as speech low. So this is the best tool available and even I am using it. So here you can see that this is the tool that will going to convert any text into 100% human voice only with
Today
three
we're going to
clicks.
show you the
Okay, and the benefit you can see that, for example, it will going to generate for male and female as well. It can generate for in normal tone, joyful tone, and serious tone. So here you can see I'm under the speech load tool, and here you can see that normal tone is available, friendly tone is available, serious tone, and in different languages you can speak. You can make your script speak in French, Germany, okay, Greek, Hindi, Italian, Japanese, Korean, and plenty of them. Okay, and you just need to paste your text. For example, here you can see I have this text. I can just right click copy and I can just go to this tool and right click on paste. That's it. Okay, and this is the text. Okay, and now I just simply need to click on generate voiceover. Let's wait and it will be generated for you. See, simple voiceover is generated. Now here you will not going to get any limitation. You can create unlimited voiceover and for unlimited time. Okay, and then the third step is just to download it. No, just download it. So it will be downloaded inside your computer. So let me just show you. So inside my computer under downloads, you can see that this is the audio which I have got. Okay,
In this video, we will be discussing how to make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online by promoting products or services and earning a commission on each sale. Step 1. The first step is to find a niche that you are passionate about.
so you can see that it has created the complete script which I have pasted here. So this is just the amazing tool. Okay, in just 3 steps you can just create amazing thing, amazing voiceover. But the thing is that it will going to cost you $47. Now the best thing is that it is just a one-time payment you have to invest and you don't have to pay any monthly fees. So that's a very great thing about this tool called as speech loop. Okay, and you also will going to get 60 days money back guarantee as well. Okay, but these tools which I have shown you, they are kind of costly, very costly, to be honest. Okay, if you try to upgrade you can see that it will going to cost you $9 per month. Okay, $4 per month. But with this speech flow you just have to pay one time of $47. Okay, just $47, and you can going to get this tool for a lifetime. Okay, and you can create plenty of tool. Of course they have some upgrade as well, but you don't need to upgrade because I'm using this tool for the past 1 year, to be honest. Okay, and I create most of my sales video and explanation video with this same tool. Okay, so this is a very good to go opportunity for you. And the thing is that, my friends, you can create any kind of video, sales, training, educational videos. Okay, and for example, if you're not comfortable in recording your own voiceover, if you don't have a good microphone and if you don't speak a good English, then this tool is just amazing for you. Along with English, it can speak in various other languages as well. Okay, so now the best thing is that, as I have told you, that if you try to outsource, that means if you go and hire these freelancers, okay, so they will going to charge you too much and very expensive, by the way. And the second thing is that they are kind of not professional, because here you can see in the tool, this is kind of a very expensive tool, and they have very much limitation. And the option 3 is speechlo, of course, with 100% human sounding and cost effective. But the basically, if you think that I'm trying to promote this one, so it's not like that, my friends. This is generally a best. I also purchased one tool called as Tokia, but again these tools are kind of very much expensive, to be honest for you. Okay, so you can see, if I try to get click on the get Tokia, okay, so it will going to cost you on the monthly basis. Okay, so let me just show you the pricing. $39 per month, very expensive, right? So that's the reason I'm telling you the speech law, in case if you can't speak. So the speech law will be a very good investment for you if you can afford. Okay, so this will be the best option. Otherwise, I have also shown you the two other option as well. You can just go with the free, but you will find plenty of limitations. And second is the hiring freelancers, which will of course be very much expensive. But speech law is a great, because just a one time payment you can create unlimited voice and unlimited script, okay, just for a dollar 47. That's a very great thing. And you can see you can create your voiceover in many languages like Spanish, French, German, English, US English, Indian English, okay, Hindi, German, Italian, Polish, and you can see plenty of different languages. And here is the complete list of the audience. So you can just go with that, and simply you can just create your voiceover with the help of chat gpt, and you can just easily convert them in with the three options I have shown you. First is using or hiring some freelancers, second is by using this tool called as nature reader, or third is just by using this tool speechlo. Okay, and you can create unlimited tools, or I can say unlimited voiceover, sorry. Okay,